This is why your room feels off. 5 sneaky mistakes ruining your seasonal decor. Welcome to Mahurip. Hey, beautiful souls, and welcome back to Mahurip, your cozy corner for seasonal decoration, home styling, and all things that make a space feel truly alive. If you're new here, we are so happy you found us. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below telling us which room in your home needs the most love right now. Your responses seriously inspire our future videos, and we read every single one. Now, let's get into something that I know so many of you have felt before, that nagging, frustrating feeling that something in your room just isn't right, even when you can't explain what it is. The mystery of the off room. You're not alone. You've done everything. You scrolled through Pinterest, saved 100 inspiration posts, bought the throw pillows, arranged the candles just so. And yet, you stand in the middle of the room and something still feels off. Trust me, this is one of the most common feelings in home decor. And it doesn't mean you have bad taste. It simply means there are a few quiet, sneaky design mistakes working against all your hard effort. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on exactly why your room feels off, and more importantly, how to fix each one, especially as we lean into seasonal styling. Your lighting is working against you. This is the single biggest culprit, and it's one of the easiest fixes. If you have cool or bright white light bulbs in your living spaces, they are silently destroying the atmosphere you're trying to create. Cool bulbs cast a blue, clinical light, which is great for a dentist's office, but not for a warm autumnal living room or a cozy winter bedroom. Swap them out for warm white or soft white bulbs in the 2000 to 3000 K range. The lower the number, the warmer and more amber the glow. This one change alone can transform how your seasonal decor reads in the space. And while you're at it, turn off that harsh overhead ceiling light and bring in LED lighting. Think table lamps, floor lamps, and plug-in wall sconces. LED light wraps around your space like a warm hug, and it makes every seasonal vignette you've styled look intentional and magazine-worthy. Your curtains are hanging in the wrong place. Curtains are one of those things that can dramatically change the perceived size and feel of a room, and most people are hanging them wrong without even realizing it. Curtains hung too low and too close to the window frame make your windows look small, your ceilings feel short, and your room look cramped. The fix: if you have ceilings 8 feet or higher, hang your curtain rod as close to the ceiling as possible, and extend it wide beyond the window frame on both sides. This makes your windows appear larger and floods the room with more natural light, perfect for showing off your seasonal decor in the best possible way. On the flip side, if your ceilings are lower and you want a cozy, tucked-in feel, think moody autumn vibes. Keeping the rod a little lower and allowing a subtle curtain puddle on the floor can give the space that lived-in, editorial feel we all love. Visible cords are killing the vibe. You've styled a gorgeous fall tablescape, you've arranged your pumpkins and candles beautifully, and then there's a tangle of cords snaking across the wall behind your TV. Instant mood killer. Visible power cords and cable clutter are one of those things your eye keeps catching, even subconsciously, and they quietly undermine the whole design. The good news is that there are so many easy, safe solutions. Paintable cord covers that peel and stick right to the wall are widely available at hardware stores. Decorative cord boxes with airflow cutouts are perfect for hiding power strips and bundles of cables. Just one afternoon of cord management can make your space look polished, intentional, and so much more like the seasonal sanctuary you're working toward. One important reminder though: never run cords under rugs or furniture, as this can be a fire hazard. Your walls are too bare or your art is in the wrong place. Blank walls don't feel minimalist, They feel unfinished. Large, empty walls create a visual void that no amount of furniture styling can compensate for. If budget is a concern, thrift stores are a treasure trove for frames and artwork that can be arranged into a beautiful gallery wall. And for those of you doing seasonal decorating, this is actually a wonderful opportunity. Swap out prints with the seasons. Use warm botanical prints or leaf studies in autumn, cozy vintage illustrations in winter, and bright florals in spring. If you do hang art, follow this rule of thumb. The center of the piece should sit about 57 to 60 inches from the floor, which aligns naturally with eye level. For art above a sofa or console, hang it 6 to 12 inches above the furniture so it feels connected to the space rather than floating awkwardly on the wall. Your rug is too small. If you've tried everything else and your room still isn't clicking, look down. A rug that's too small is one of the most common design mistakes, and it can make even the most beautifully furnished room feel disjointed. Think of your area rug as the anchor of the entire space. It's what gathers your furniture together and gives the room a sense of groundedness. As a general rule, every major piece of furniture in your seating area should have at least its front 2 legs on the rug. Having all 4 legs on the rug creates an even more cohesive, luxurious feel. In a dining room, your rug should extend at least 24 inches beyond the table on all sides. In a bedroom, it should extend beyond the foot and sides of the bed so your feet land on something soft and warm every morning. When in doubt, size up. Bigger rugs almost always win. Tying it all together. The seasonal decor connection. What I love about all 5 of these fixes is how beautifully they work with seasonal decorating. When your lighting is warm and layered, your autumn candles and fairy lights glow even more magically. When your curtains are hung correctly, your seasonal window treatments look intentional and styled. When your walls are curated and your rug anchors the room, every seasonal vignette, every bowl of pine cones, every wreath, every cozy throw, has a proper stage to shine on. Seasonal decoration isn't just about what you add to a space. It's about making sure the foundation of that space is set up to let your decor do its job beautifully. Let's fix that room together. So there you have it, the 5 real reasons your room feels off, and exactly how to fix each one. The wonderful thing is, none of these require a huge budget or a full renovation. They're thoughtful, intentional adjustments that can shift the entire energy of your home. I really hope this helps you look at your space with fresh eyes, and I'd love to know, which of these 5 is your biggest challenge right now? Tell me in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with a friend who's been struggling with their space. Don't forget to subscribe to Mahurip so you never miss our seasonal styling videos. New content goes up regularly and there is so much more cozy goodness coming your way. Until next time, take care of your space, and it will take care of you.